Good morning. Welcome to another episode of my 2000 Sunnybrook travel trailer makeover. Hey, good morning. What's going on, everybody? Okay, so today, what am I working on? Uh, as you know, in the last episode, I got the wood replaced on the travel trailer, and that was a uh, very big uh, task that I wanted to get done. I think everything from here is going to be uh, downhill. So today I'm working on the outside, as you guys, I probably mentioned maybe a couple episodes back when I first brought the trailer home. I started sanding it with like a Brillo pad, and it actually didn't look too bad. So that's, what you see back here is what I sanded. And then what you see over here is that old paint that somebody had painted and put on this travel trailer. And what they did, they painted it with the wrong type of paint. The paint that they used was I think it was a water base, some type of water base flat paint. I don't know. But luckily, it's coming up pretty easily. So what I'm going to do is try to attack this with like those little Brillo pads and see how it looks when I get done. But I got a little technique that should hopefully help me uh, make this go a little bit easier and a little bit faster. Not as much sweat equity on this one. Let me show you. So what I have is these little Brillo pads um, that I've been using, uh, you know, and it's pretty coarse. So what I'm going to do, instead of scrubbing with my hand, what I did is took one pad and cut it up to fit on my buffer. So I'm going to try that out and see if it works. And yeah, if it does, I don't know if you heard it here first, but you heard it here. So I'm going to get busy on this. I'm going to just take the camera right now and just give it a once over on this side. The other side is bad, really bad, but we'll deal with that when we get there. Well, I got it all done. As you can see behind me, I went and took a shower before I did this video, man. I had white, just sand and dust everywhere. I was like, yeah, I have to go get this off. I guess that's why I chose to be a mechanic and not a body guy. But I started out with the buffer, and it wasn't working. I was getting hot spots. So I just went to what my initial plan was, and that was, all right, sorry about that, I got disturbed. So back to the process. So initially what I was going to do is use the buffer to try and then put the scouring pads on the buffer and sand the trailer. But when I did that, it started having hot spots. So I went back to my initial process of sanding it with my hand. Again, turned out good, but I am going to have to paint it. Unfortunately, thought I was going to be able to save that money, but it's okay. I'm going to have to paint it because the paint that was used, I thought it was water-based paint, and I thought I would be able to scrape it all off, but I wasn't. In certain areas, the paint was on pretty good, but I was able to get that dead paint off. So let's just take a quick look. So as you can see, like back there, that back half turned out good. But that's what I wanted. Before I would rub this and my fingers would just be white. So I was able to get that off. Come over here on this side. And like I said, everything cleaned up pretty doggone good. So now, where am I at? The next process be to get it all taped up, go get some paint, and get it painted. So I wanted to give you a real quick update what I ended up doing. Last night also, I was able to get everything out of the shower, that panel removed out of the shower, and gave us a lot of space. So what we're going to do next is get everything else painted. And then I'm going to start putting the it's like peel and stick panels, waterproof panels up. Yeah, been a productive weekend on this project, the Sunnybrook 2002 restoration project. She's coming along. All righty. That's going to do it for this episode of the Golden Spirit Homestead. Thank you guys again. And if you would, subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up, hit that notification. All right, till the next time, be blessed, and I'll see you. Peace.